Come test drive the 2017 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, rear-wheel drive, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, MP3 player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.